Every building needs a waterproofing system that prevents water penetration, dampness, and deterioration of the building elements. It keeps the moisture out of the facility and prevents it from structural damage. The right time to waterproof the building is during the structural phase of the construction work before the application of finishes, so that it will not be affected by the humidity. In recent studies, it has been reported that almost 83% of building defects are due to water damage and failed membranes. So to avoid this, the structures are to be waterproofed with the correct choice of waterproofing membranes and their application. Though there are different waterproofing materials available in the market like cementitious coating, EPDM rubber, thermoplastic, bituminous membrane, etc., PVC waterproofing membrane is considered one of the best waterproofing materials for external, below-ground, and green roof applications. Installing a PVC waterproofing membrane typically involves the following steps. Surface preparation. Ensure the surface is clean, smooth, and free from. It should also be dry. Priming, if necessary. Depending on the specific product and substrate, you may need to apply a primer to enhance adhesion. Cutting and fitting. Measure and cut the PVC membrane to the required size, allowing for overlaps and any necessary detailing around edges, corners, and penetrations. Application of adhesive. Apply a suitable adhesive to the prepared substrate using a notched trowel, ensuring even coverage. The membrane installation. Carefully place the PVC membrane onto the adhesive, starting from one end and working towards the other, while pressing down to remove any air bubbles and ensuring good contact. Overlaps and joints between membrane sheets should be overlapped according to manufacturer's specifications and heat welded or chemically bonded together to create a watertight seal. Pay special attention to details such as corners, edges, drains, and penetrations, like pipes or vents. Use prefabricated accessories or create custom details with the membrane material. Quality control. Inspect the installed membrane to ensure all areas are. PVC waterproofing membranes are known for their exceptional ability to prevent water infiltration. These membranes are designed to create a watertight barrier, ensuring that no moisture can penetrate the structure. This feature is particularly important in areas prone to heavy rainfall or high levels of humidity. By effectively preventing water penetration, PVC membranes help protect the building from potential water damage, such as leaks, mold, and deterioration. Due to its water vapor transmission properties, these membranes can be installed over damp substrates and can easily handle ponding or excessive accumulation of water. In addition, PVC membranes don't require curing time to become waterproof, and their thickness will remain constant throughout the entire project. Structures are protected immediately by PVC sheet membranes, and finishes can be applied over them immediately. Flexibility and durability. One of the key advantages of PVC waterproofing membranes is their flexibility. These membranes can easily adapt to various surfaces and shapes, making them suitable for both flat and curved structures. Whether it is a roof, basement, or foundation, PVC membranes can be seamlessly installed to provide comprehensive waterproofing protection. Their robustness ensures that the waterproofing system remains intact for an extended period, minimizing the need for frequent repairs or replacements.